Factorial in Python. Let's have an integer n and input, enter a number. We take a number from the user, and after that factorial is equal to 1, or factorial is assigned to 1, or 1 is assigned to factorial, while let's use while loop, while n is greater than 1, then obviously factorial is multiplied to n. Let's see, n minus 1 equal to 1. Let's print the factorial. Let's see what will be the answer. Enter a number 5, for example, 120. Once again I want to run 78. This number is factorial of 78. It is very lengthy. Let's run once again 1. It should give us 1.